Hello everyone, this is Kinori. Welcome back to just another day with you. Today I have come with a very big list of thank yous. Firstly to the ones who keep supporting me doing this channel despite this being such a nascent one, and secondly to the ones who keep sharing and following the contents I create despite me being so irregular. With that, I would love to say I feel so grateful since so many of you sent me the chocolate cakes, making those like I had made in the previous video. I wish I could share that with all of you here also. And if you have not checked the video of the chocolate cake, so you can go to my channel, or rather I would try putting it in the description box. Today I will take you to the video with the disclaimer of not being able to have clicked good photos just because of my parents, especially my papa. He's like a baby, and rather a very hankering baby who never lets me get much time to to click good photos. Although this was again an unplanned one, I feel the food videos are actually so random ones. I mean, just the craving and the answer to it. I realized while making this video that this is my hat trick on cooking videos, which is a very big thing for me because I don't usually get time to cook, or I don't really cook a lot. So yeah, actually, although I was working on some other content, or rather the other aspects of my life which I would have loved sharing with all of you, but my छोटा सा बच्चा सा puppy, मेरा dog he died, and yeah, with all the things, with all the toys and the things in transit for them, it was, we were very down for a few days naturally. I mean, it was so unexpected. Anyway, so that was the reason why I made this plan of burger and all, so that we together feel a little better. But I would like to share the videos of them, yeah, because I was anyway planning to share the videos of them because they are so pyara. You would have loved them had you seen them. They were so jubilant. Anyway, just bunk it. So let's go to the video. Oh wait, I don't know if you can see this. This is the result of me. I keep tripping everywhere and I keep cutting and hurting myself. So this actually looks so weird in the video. This on the thumb looks so weird in the video. So that's why I just wanted to bunk it, huh? Okay, bye.
To make the homemade bread, I'm using around 500 ml milk, 2 teaspoons of sugar. I did not get activated yeast, so that's why I'm using dry yeast. But if you have activated yeast, please use that because dry yeast is not so good with results. Now I will be adding 3 eggs to it. And now 2 cups of flour, although I just wanted to experiment with the homemaking bread process. Just 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it. Just let it rest for at least 30 minutes, but please don't be very sure of me because I was also making this for the second time. Now for the patty, adding 2 slices of lemons to the minced chicken. Now I'll be adding the onion garlic paste, which I have put it on a flame and made a saute of it. I'm adding around 3 teaspoons of it. Now adding 2 teaspoons of the ginger paste. Adding 1 full teaspoon of mixture of jeera powder, coriander powder and black pepper. Adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now adding 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Next adding around 2 teaspoons of oregano. And around 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And now 1 full egg. Gosh, I almost forgot of putting salts. That's why I tell you never to believe me entirely. Now 3 teaspoons of flour. One teaspoon of sunflower oil. I had forgot putting this earlier. Okay, so now for the coating, using little bit of oregano and little bit of chili flakes to the flour. Then adding little salt and soya sauce to 3 eggs. Now this is the toughest and the messiest part of the entire process. I do not like it. I hate it. And yes, sorry, I had forgot to tell you that this minced chicken was around 800 to 900 grams, if not more. I mean, yeah, 7, 8, 9 के बीच में होगा. Because actually we had brought more, so from that we used this much only. So I'm not very sure. I'm not exactly sure about the amount. As I just told you that I was experimenting with the homemade bun process, but I knew it would work somehow minimally better with activated yeast instead. So please use activated yeast if you ever want to make it. And I had put the entire mix on the flame, and after some time I just took it off and cut into desired circles. I don't know why I wanted to have a thick chocolate frappe. So for that, using the super top whipped cream, just a very few drops of vanilla essence. Yeah, the best part, milk and dark chocolate compound to make the melted chocolate out of it. And now 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. The entire mix would anyway go to the mixer and then to the freezer, but to show you the process I just showed it here, because if you have seen the mango ice cream video blooper, you'd have seen that things become so much messier in the kitchen. Now the best part is loading the chocolates. Okay, so now is the time for the patties to be fried. Okay, since we didn't find lettuce leaves, that's why I'm using cabbage leaves here with very little bit of oregano and little bit of chili flakes. Sauteing it a little bit, just see how the food row looks like. These are just the extra parts, mayonnaise and a little bit of tomato sauce. For the garlic mayonnaise, I'm using the mayonnaise with it, a little bit of oregano powder and a very little bit of garlic powder. Okay, so these homemade buns, or rather the braids, do not look really good, but they were okay with the taste, you know. Oh, I forgot mentioning I had made French fries as well.